All right, let's get you ready for your exams with a super fast revision session on a really key part of GCSE Physics, domestic electricity and safety. We're going to cover all the essential facts you need to know, from the power coming out of your walls to the wires that literally keep you safe every day. Let's jump in.
I mean, we plug these things in every single day without a second thought, right? But what's the actual science behind it? Well, today we're going to take a journey from that socket in the wall right through the cable and figure out exactly how your stuff gets its power safely.
So, our journey starts right at the power source. And the first big idea you need to nail for your exam is understanding exactly what kind of electricity we're dealing with when we talk about the main supply.
Okay, so the electricity from your sockets is what we call an AC supply. That stands for alternating current. All it means is that the current is constantly flipping its direction, going back and forth, back and forth. It's the complete opposite of DC, or direct current, which is what you get from things like batteries. With DC, the current just flows steadily in one direction. Simple as that. Now, get ready for your first key number. This is one you've just got to remember. The potential difference of our domestic supply right here in the UK is about 230 volts. Lock that one away.
And here's the second stat you need, straight from the AQA specification. The frequency of that alternating current is 50 hertz. So what does that mean? It means it reverses its direction 50 times every single second. So let's put it together. 230 volts, 50 hertz. Got it? Awesome.
Right, so we know what's coming out of the wall. But how does that power get from the socket to, say, your TV? Well, most appliances connect to the mains using what's called a 3-core cable.
Listen up, because this slide is pure exam gold. Inside that cable, you'll find 3 wires, and you absolutely need to know their colors. The live wire is brown, the neutral wire is blue, and the earth wire, well, that's the one with green and yellow stripes. Seriously, this comes up all the time, so it's a fantastic one to memorize.
So, okay, they've got specific colors, but why? What do they actually do? Understanding the role of each individual wire is totally crucial if you want to get how the whole system works and, more importantly, how it keeps you safe. Let's start with the live wire, the brown one. This is the main event. It's the wire that carries that powerful 230-volt alternating potential difference all the way from the main supply and into your appliance. You can think of it as the power in lane on a motorway. Now, electricity needs to flow in a complete loop, right? It can't just go in and stop. That's where the neutral wire, the blue one, comes in. It provides the return path. It completes the circuit by carrying the current away from your appliance. So if live is power in, the neutral is the power out lane. And finally, we've got the green and yellow earth wire. This guy is your safety feature. He's the bodyguard. Under normal circumstances, there's no current flowing through it at all. Its one and only job is to protect you if something goes wrong. Which actually is a perfect lead-in to the most important bit of this topic, safety. Let's take a closer look at how these 3 wires all work together as a team to protect you from a nasty electric shock. Now, here is a really critical point, and it's one that can catch people out. Even if your appliance is switched off at the plug, that live wire can still be carrying 230 volts. All the switch does is create a gap in the circuit, but that potential difference is still there, just waiting. It's a key safety concept to wrap your head around. So why is the live wire so dangerous? This slide explains it perfectly. The earth, literally the ground you are standing on, is at 0 volts. The live wire is at 230 volts. That creates a huge potential difference between the wire and you. So if you were to touch that live wire, your body could accidentally provide a path for the current to flow to the ground. And, well, that would complete the circuit with some very, very dangerous results. Okay, phew. We've covered the concepts, we've got the numbers, and we've talked about safety. Now, let's pull it all together into one simple, powerful summary that you can take away for your revision. And here it is. This is the slide you want to burn into your memory. It's the ultimate summary for your exam. It connects the wire to its color to its job. Let's run through it one last time. Brown, live wire brings the power in. The blue, neutral wire takes the power out to complete the circuit. And the green and yellow earth wire is just there for your safety. If you can picture this table in your head during the exam, you're going to be in a fantastic position. So you've got the facts, you've got the figures. But the final step is to really connect the dots.
Can you see now why this whole three-wire system is such an incredibly vital piece of engineering? It's something that's quietly working in the background, keeping us all safe every single day. Something to think about.